Hello all, good afternoon. Currently we are at the Times Hospital Tejpur and we are live from this COVID vaccination drive for the healthcare workers underway at the Times Hospital Tejpur. So you can see the vaccination drive is going on. The registrations are happening here at this desk. So world's largest vaccination drive, which is currently being witnessed in India. In Tejpur too, the vaccination drive is being carried out for the healthcare workers. And you can see the live visuals coming up from the Times Hospital Tejpur. You can see the registrations are going on. We are bringing the live visuals for you from the famed Times Hospital Tejpur. You can see the healthcare workers are registering themselves for the vaccination drive. This is the waiting room. You can see the observation room over there. Currently we are in the observation room. So this is the waiting room, this is the observation room. So how are you feeling now currently?
I think it's okay.
Yeah, no issue. So this is the vaccination room. We won't be going inside this room. Let's keep it confidential. So So you can see the healthcare workers are queued up for the vaccination drive. Currently the registrations are underway at the COVID vaccination center at the Times Hospital Tejpur. So bringing you the live visuals from the Times Hospital Tejpur, where the vaccination drive is underway. It may be mentioned that this is the world's largest vaccination drive, which is being witnessed in India, a nationwide vaccination drive. And in Tejpur, the Times Hospital is organizing the vaccination drive. So, ma'am, would you like to say something about this vaccination drive? What are the plans?
In Sonic district, there are 3 venues where the vaccination drive Covaxin has started, and Times Hospital happens to be one such venue. So it will start off. The superintendent of this hospital, Dr. Jayanta Das, has only taken the first dose of the vaccine. Now the rest of the staff are taking it. So far, it's going on smoothly.
And which are the two more centers in Tejpur or Sonitpur district?
The other 2 centers are TMCH and Gepiajili.
Thank you so much. So we are entering the vaccination room. So you can see the healthcare workers are currently taking the doses of vaccination. Bringing you the live visuals from the famed Times Hospital, Tejpur. The world's largest vaccination drive is being witnessed in our country, and in Tejpur, the Times Hospital has organized the vaccination drive. These are the live visuals coming in from Times Hospital, Tejpur. Let's hear some experience from Sir. Sir, would you like to say something about this experience?
Yeah, it's actually a phase 3 clinical trial, and
Yeah.
I think everyone should come forward
Yeah,
and help everyone,
yeah,
including the government and each other, to fight against this corona vaccine.
yeah, yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. You can see sir has taken the vaccine and will currently be in the observation room. So this is the process that is being followed here in Times Hospital. So once the healthcare workers take the dose of vaccine, they come over this observation room. So yeah, these are the live visuals we are bringing for you from the Times Hospital, Tejpur. And a good process is being followed over here, and we urge all the healthcare workers to come forward and be part of this vaccination drive, the world's largest vaccination drive that is currently being observed in our country, India. And it's a proud moment that we are able to carry this vaccination drive in such a huge number, being the most populated country, populated nation in the world. This is indeed a proud moment for us to be part of this, and Tejpur Buzz is highly lucky to bring you the live visuals of this COVID vaccination drive.
न उन्होंने त्योहार देखा है, न उन्होंने दिन देखा है, न उन्होंने रात देखी। आमतौर पर एक वैक्सीन बनाने में बरसों
This is how the healthcare workers are queued up for the vaccination drive. This is how the process is being followed. At the outset, they register themselves in this registration desk, and then they follow up to the waiting room, and then followed by the vaccination room, and then the observation. So that's all from our okay, thank you all for staying with us. We'll keep on bringing the visuals from the vaccination drive that will be happening in Tejpur as well as in the district. So thank you so much. Bye bye.